To speak on the motion of thanks on the Governor's address. Honorable Speaker, sir, the Governor's address to the joint session of State Legislature yesterday is significant for several reasons. In the year 2022, we missed the Governor's address for reasons known to one and all. Let bygone be bygones. It is a good beginning in the relationship between the two top constitutional functionaries in the state. However, Honorable Speaker, sir, compared to her previous address to the state legislature on 15th March 2021, which consisted of 42 pages, her latest address is down to only 21 pages. I am sure in the last 2 years the Telangana has achieved significant progress, but this has not been truly reflected in the current address of the Honorable Governor, which has been quite brief on both fact and figures, I would say. Moreover, this address is notable not for what it says, but for what it is missing or omitted, I would say. The Governor's address, which reflects the view of the state government, is silent on the stepmotherly treatment being meted out to the Telangana state by the BJP government at the center. This has not been mentioned, sir. So there was not even a murmur of protest against the deliberate targeting of an injustice done to the Telangana by the BJP regime. I am so saddened to say, sir, before me, two speakers have spoken, but none of them have spoken. किसी ने इस बात पर आवाज नहीं उठाई कि किस तरीके से तेलंगाना का हक छीना जा रहा है और तेलंगाना को उसके हक से महरूम किया जा रहा है। और यह बात भी नहीं बताई गई कि कितना पैसा तेलंगाना रियासत से मरकजी हुकूमत को हासिल होता है टैक्स के जरिए या मुख्तलिफ जराए के जरिए, और पलटकर क्या मिल रहा है तेलंगाना को, इस बात पर भी गवर्नर एड्रेस में न तस्करा किया गया न बोला गया।